While we're waiting for our garlic to get soft, we're going to go ahead and cut our red pepper. So I'm going to cut this in 2 pieces. And we'll go and we'll remove the seeds and some of the white rib meat. And then we'll come down and dice our peppers. And we'll add them into the pot with our garlic. And then I'm going to take our last bit of red pepper and I'm actually going to throw it in with the onions and the celery just to give it a little bit of color. All right, now we're going to come back to our onions and red pepper and we're going to add about a cup of tomato juice. A tablespoon of soy sauce, and then a teaspoon each of ground ginger, and ground cinnamon.